It starts with a simple sneeze, a harmless cough, a tiny fever. For most people, it's just an inconvenience. But for someone living with sickle cell, a simple infection can spiral into a full-blown medical emergency. Today we'll reveal why invisible enemies like the flu or a common cold can unleash unbearable pain, and how simple precautions could save a life. When a person with sickle cell catches an infection, even something minor like a cold, it's not just about the virus. It's about how the body fights back. Here's what happens. The body sends white blood cells to fight the infection. This causes inflammation, swelling, heat, redness inside blood vessels. Inflammation narrows the blood vessels even more. Sickled cells, already stiff and sticky, get trapped. Result? Painful blockages, oxygen starvation, a full-blown sickle cell crisis. And it doesn't stop there. The infection weakens the immune system, drains energy, and makes recovery much harder. For warriors, even a small cold can feel like an avalanche crushing them from the inside. Tund, age 21, caught the flu from a classmate. It started with a cough. Within 48 hours, he was struggling to breathe. By day 3, he was admitted with acute chest syndrome, one of the deadliest complications for sickle cell patients. Sarah, a young woman preparing for college, ignored a mild fever. Just a cold, she thought. 2 days later, she collapsed at work, overwhelmed by severe joint pain and fatigue. She spent 2 weeks fighting an infection-triggered crisis, missing her scholarship interview. These are not rare stories. They are daily realities for warriors worldwide. People with sickle cell often have a damaged or non-functioning spleen, the organ that filters infections from the blood. Without a strong spleen, infections spread faster. The body's defenses are weaker. Minor illnesses become major threats. In fact, infection is a leading cause of death among sickle cell patients, especially children under 5. That's why prevention isn't optional, it's survival. Thankfully, there are powerful ways to protect sickle cell warriors. Vaccinations, keep up with flu shots, pneumonia vaccines, meningitis vaccines, and more. These save lives. Daily antibiotics for young children. Some children are prescribed preventive antibiotics to ward off infections. Good hygiene, wash hands often. Avoid touching your face. Disinfect common surfaces. Stay away from sick people. If someone around you is coughing or sneezing, keep a safe distance. Prompt medical attention. Don't wait to see if a fever gets better. Early treatment can prevent crises. Protection is not paranoia. It is essential. It's exhausting, always being on guard, avoiding crowded places, turning down invitations, feeling isolated just because your body's defenses aren't as strong. Many warriors experience anxiety and depression because infections steal more than health. They steal freedom. That's why emotional support is just as critical. Let warriors know they are not being dramatic. They are being brave. Choosing safety is not weakness, it's strength. Here's how caregivers and loved ones can build a protective shield. Keep vaccines updated, mark calendars for boosters. Create a sick day plan. Know when to call the doctor immediately. Stock supplies, thermometers, sanitizers, masks, prescription meds. Educate the community. Teachers, classmates, colleagues should know the risks. Have emergency contacts ready. Don't scramble when time is critical. Preparedness is power. It reduces panic. It saves lives. If I stay home, it's not because I'm antisocial. It's because a sneeze could send me to the hospital. Please, if you're sick, stay home. Your kindness could save my life. I'm not weak. My body just fights harder than yours. For most, a cold is a week of inconvenience. For warriors, it could mean weeks in the hospital, lost opportunities, unbearable pain, even death. So, the next time you see a child with a mask, or a friend canceling plans out of caution. Remember, they are fighting invisible enemies every day. Protect them, respect them, stand with them, because their fight is far greater than you can see. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.